Hi, welcome to Make2 Explore. So in our previous video about ESP ZeroCode, we have seen how to get started with this platform and how to create your own Matter-enabled IoT product. We have also seen how to flash the ESP32 boards and test them using ESP Launchpad and Amazon Alexa app. In this video, we will make and explore different devices or product templates given on ZeroCode platform. So let's get started. Let's go to the ESP ZeroCode website, log in with our account details, and then create different sample IoT products using given templates. We will create two products, LED strip and plug. Just follow along and see how we do it. So here, as we mentioned in our previous video, for this LED strip product, if you are using WS2812 driver-based strip, then you just need to select the GPIO pin and enter how many addressable LEDs are there in your strip. So we have 30 LEDs in our strip, so we will put number 30. The circuit diagram for this product is as shown in figure. It is a simple connection. You can also figure it out using configuration. We have used WS2812 based LED strip, and its DIN pin is connected to GPIO 8. It is recommended that you should power the LED strip externally, but make sure that connecting to the common ground. Now let's program the product's firmware into ESP32C6 board and test it using ESP Launchpad. We will do it in our system. You just follow along.
Alexa, change light bulb color to green.
Okay.
Alexa, change light bulb colors to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, change brightness of light bulb to 20%.
Okay.
Alexa, change light bulb color to orange.
Okay.
Alexa, लाइट बल्ब बंद करो।
ठीक है।
Alexa, change strip color to red.
Okay.
Alexa, strip का कलर ग्रीन करो.
ठीक है.
Alexa, turn off the strip.
Okay.
Okay, so this was all about product named LED Strip. Now let's explore another interesting product of ESP ZeroCode, which we usually see in popular IoT smart home automation systems. That is a plug. For that, we have to again go to the ZeroCode website. Then we will create another product, name it as plug, then configure and set up it as we've seen in earlier examples. You just see and follow along. The circuit diagram for this product is as shown in figure. It is a simple connection. You can also figure it out using configuration. We have used 2-channel relay board, and its input or control pin is connected to GPIO. For this product named plug, we have to specify 3 GPIO pins, one for input button, one for output relay, and another for indicator LED. Now let's program the product's firmware into ESP32C3 board and test it using ESP Launchpad. We will do it in our system. You just follow along and replicate.
Alexa, turn off the heater.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the heater.
Okay.
Alexa, heater बंद करो.
ठीक है.
So in this way, in this video, we have seen demo of 2 simple ESP ZeroCode products with configurations using graphical mode. In next videos, we will try to explore more products, and the text mode of configuration will also use different ESP32 boards. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for your support.